Welcome to CADDology. This drawing is available in Telegram on CADDology channel. Let's start. Go to the File tab and New Design. Go for the sketch. Make a rectangle 64 by 96. And then go to the isometric view and pull command. Pull it by 16 mm. Again select top face as a sketch plane. Make a rectangle of 16 by 64. And again pull it by 48 mm. Make a edge fillet of 32 mm radius. Again select top face as a sketch plane, make a rectangle of 40 by 42 mm. (64 minus 22) and 40. Again pull it by the value of 28 mm. Select front face as a sketch plane, make a circle in mid of diameter 24. Again go to the pull command and then drag. Select top face as a sketch plane and make a slot. Firstly make a rectangle of 16 by 20 mm. Place it by corner to corner. Dimension is 16 mm. And then make a circle and trim. And now go to pull command and drag down. Select side face as a sketch plane, make a line edge to edge and then exit, and again go to the pull and dimension is 12 mm. And now our sketch is finished completely.